Hey, what's up, everybody? It's been a second since I did a live, so I figured I would come to you straight from my day and show you what all I'm working on. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around, and if I can't figure it out, here we go. So I've been working on some stuff with you guys, or for you guys, I should say. I'm working on a new journal. So, for those of you that are excited about journaling and things like that, I'm working on a new one to get out to you guys real soon. But I think I might change directions with the journal just a little bit. I got a couple of different things in mind that I might do for the journal. One of which I might just see who's interested in learning how to, do some things like journaling and stuff like that. And maybe showing you guys how to do it or something like that. So you can carry it into your personal lives. And the other thing that I kind of want to touch on also, is, I've been working on this, affiliate and ambassador program for you guys. So along with ChatGPT, obviously, which is a great source for you guys, to use if you ever need ideas or things like that. I do pay for the paid version, so it gives me a little bit better answers. If you guys are ever really interested in knowing what kind of prompts and things that I do to use ChatGPT to assist me with, making pretty much everything that I create for you guys. It helps me to give me the ideas and stuff like that, and just to kind of like fine tune them in and stuff like that. But I'm super excited about the affiliate program and the ambassador program. I had a great meeting with one of our ambassadors yesterday, Gabby. So huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for showing up. I know a few of you have also shown up and stuff like that. And, really, I'm looking for more ambassadors to come to the group and kind of just take charge. And so, I figured that I would go ahead and explain some of this stuff with you guys. Basically, you can see tier 1, which is called the bridge. If you bring in 3+ member referrals, like you bring 3 people to the group, I'll definitely give you a shout out in the community. You're eligible for a digital gift pack at that point. Where like a journaling bundle, and things that I'm willing to give to you guys just for saying thank you. You don't earn any cash just yet, but at the next tier, which is the guide, you do. So 5+ member referrals, which is pretty easy to do. Everybody has social media these days. So I'm sure that you guys have at least 5 friends that you can bring to the group that will benefit from our information. You get a one-on-one session with me. Which, I'll go over a Soul Plus Systems intro session, and that's what I went over with Gabby yesterday. It's $150 value. I do sell that on my website for $150. So you're getting $150 value. You get a one-on-one session with me. And then what I do is, I take whatever information that you are needing to, let's say, do an automation. You don't know how to do an automation, or maybe you want to learn to do something that can create an extra income for yourself, like maybe dot-to-dot books, or learning how to do journaling, or learning how to do like an automation with social media, or, anything like that. So, and then I go in there and I actually build the automation out for you so that you don't have to do it. And I gift that to you within that service. But because you'll be at tier 2, you'll obviously be getting it gifted to you. So I go in there and I build that automation system for you. I show you exactly step by step with what I do and how I'm making money. So I'm showing you guys how to make some money and how to do some things that you might enjoy. Also, I will invite you to do a co-host, to invite you on a live. You can come in live with me. Maybe talk about, some of the things like the soul systems and stuff like that, and how it's working out for you and what you're doing with it. Or a workshop where I actually go live within the group and I tell you guys, or show you rather, in detail of where I click and where I go and what I do, and You know what I mean? And the affiliate access unlocked, you do get 10% commission on everything that you would sell from my website. So let's say you sell a higher tiered item at $300. Well, you're obviously going to earn $30. So that's a quick $30 in your pocket that you weren't expecting. I am going to be increasing some of the services on my website. I'm also going to be including website builds. And those are going to start at $1,000. They're going to go up from there. And then also SEO, which will be $1,000 as well. So you can kind of get the big picture. You make $100 off of each of one of those. And it goes on. So tier 3 is the legacy. Once you bring in 10 members, I will create a custom journal personally mailed to you. So you'll get the actual physical journal that you can write in, and it looks really cool. It's all binded and everything like that. It's a really neat package at the end. And then free access to any one paid digital course. So any of the courses that I've already created, if you look at my website, you'll see that I have courses created already, and you can just literally go in there and pay for them. And once you pay, like, you have an instant download. So, anything that's up to a $200 value, you can definitely get that for free. And then the community spotlight feature is 15% commission on shared products. That kind of speaks for itself. As we progress, 20 plus member referrals, which is a private vision session, strategy and healing plus monetization, where I actually show you guys how to go in there and monetize things and do some of the things that I'm doing to create money for myself and for my business. And that's a $200 value. So it just keeps increasing. The group leader badge plus invite to planning table. Like, if you have any ideas or anything like that, or you need some strategy sessions or anything like that, I'm definitely willing to, to help you guys out. Obviously you get 20% commission and personal promo link for your own audience. So what that eventually means is that I'm going to share my revenue with y'all. So, tier 5 talks about that. The architect, 50 plus member referrals, a lifetime access to future journal drops plus premium content, your co-creator credit on one product. So if you guys want to come up and design a product, or need help designing a product, I can definitely help you launch it and everything like that, and show you how to do those things. Influence over future offerings and branding, a revenue share of 5 to 10% on one feature product. So whatever we would come up with together, if you don't have a website, use my website or whatever, we could come up with it, and y'all would get 5 to 10% of whatever the sale of that is. So if I make, $2,000 or whatever, y'all get the revenue share off of that. And how you can get started is to apply or message me directly to activate your affiliate code. You will need an affiliate code in order to get credit for everything that you do. So if you're interested, hit me up. And I'll give you a custom link so that, you can share our products, our courses, and our journals. And, this is something that you definitely can watch your own impact and your income, and you can grow with it. So anyways, I just kind of wanted to touch basis on a couple of those things with you guys. I've been working very hard. I've been trying to get the group off the ground, which I'm extremely proud of it. I mean, I'm extremely proud of you all for showing up. It's been 1 month that we've been, the group has been around, and I mean, the feedback is amazing. So, I really appreciate you all. Everyone matters. You guys are all welcome here. And, for those of you who don't know me from before, obviously I created Rainbow Pride 11 years ago. And I always had the motto of one love, one family. We carry that through to Neon Legacy, and we also provide a safe space for anyone who's here. So feel free to share your stories. Let's all grow together. I'm extending my personal welcome to you guys to help teach you guys how to, build courses, how to do the things that I do. And so, whatever you guys might need help with. And I'm also here for strategy sessions and personal consultation time. So if you guys have an idea, go ahead and book me online. or side chat me. You know, not everything has to be charged for a service. I mean, if you need to, you know, you have an idea, you just need to bounce off of me or something like that, something quick, you know, I might be able to give you my feedback on that. So, you know, someone asked in the group today, I think it was Barbie. Hey guys, I just want to acknowledge y'all for being here. What's up, Daddy? They thank y'all for being here. Barbie, I think you had mentioned, what do people do for self-care? So, I want to answer that while I'm alive. And even though I answered in the group, and I'm just going to say that I went for a walk this morning and had a great walk. I haven't been walking. I've been so busy in my office and just so busy tied into the computer. So, it's really good to just get away from the screen time and take some me time. So, anything that you guys are, you know, wanting to share with the group. I know that Gabby had mentioned to me about possibly putting together a Spotify playlist for you guys. And I had mentioned it also initially in the group. So, if anybody has any music ideas or they would like to, you know, be part of the creative process of putting together a Spotify for the group, you can feel free to message me. Or, you know, I'm sure that Gabby wouldn't mind if y'all gave her some ideas as well. So I am looking for ambassadors to step up, and you guys can make money off of this. I mean, this is definitely, you know, now is the time to kind of embrace parts of AI, and that's exactly what I've done. So, you know, I would love to share so much with you guys. So thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for seeing me through the tears. I probably did take that one down. But just know that your stories and everything that you guys say to me, it just means so much. So at the same time I'm healing, I know y'all are healing as well. So thank y'all for showing up. I appreciate you. I'm going to close this live, but, if you guys have any questions or you just want to side chat me, feel free to message me. I'm always available for y'all. All right. One love, one family. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you.